What is up, guys? It's your old friend Sirens of New Jersey here. Well, what inspired me to react to Tornado Siren Madness, and I'm also going to do a shout out. It's Sirens and Railroad to South Carolina, aka Caleb. Go look at his videos if you're a siren enthusiast like me, and a fire alarm enthusiast, and also a train enthusiast. I'm starting to be a train enthusiast, but go ahead and subscribe to him. I'm gonna react to one of the Tornado Siren Madness videos here, and this one is Whelen gets collector rings. So let's see what this one's about. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, play. That part always makes me laugh.
My test day. I am so excited. A full few minutes of voice and attack. This is a test. This is a test of the Whelen outdoor warning system. This is only
That's wrong. It's not supposed to be Whelen. There it goes, an attack tone. And it's not a Whelen warning system, it's just this is a test of the outdoor warning siren system. It's something like that, but there's no word Whelen in there, I know that. Well, it keeps spinning right round, right round, right round. Uh-oh. That was motors buzzing.
What the heck? Doggone it. I broke my wires. Now I can't sound off anymore. This wouldn't have happened if I had collector rings and brushes installed in my rotator box. Ha ha. Whelen broke his wires. He sucks. I rule because I have a proper collector ring and brush system installed in my rotator box.
This is random siren shorts. This is basically random siren shorts, but in computer version.
Mr. Toilet, I have collector rings and you don't. And you probably never will. I find this both funny and insulting. Serves you right, giant bucket.
Giant bucket. Oh man. Oh no, there goes 1003.
You are right for once.
That's what you get for doing that to my Thunderbolty.
What did I ever do to Thunderbolt? Oh yeah, now I remember.
That's crazy.
Hey, Whelen, how are your collector rings doing?
I don't have collector rings.
In that case, collector rings.
Oh no, the collector. You know what? That joke is getting a little too old. Even Sirens of Railroads agrees.
How are your collector rings doing?
That's it. If you say that one more time, so help me.
Now this, just like what happened in Tornado Siren, random siren shorts.
Collector rings.
Okay, it's funny.
Okay, time to crap yourself up. I'm a fire in my
Oh no.
Hey, how's your collector rings doing?
Hey bro, how are your collector rings doing? I am gonna turn you into free hockey pucks if you don't stop it. Hey bro, why the long face? Because I am a Whelen. I have long horns. That's why my face is long. And I am sad because I got
He has a
made fun
point.
of when my wires broke because I don't have collector rings. You are not alone. 4004 and I ran into Tri-Blaster, T121, and ATI, and they said the same thing too. Oh, Mega Blaster will fix you up good. He installs collector ring and brush systems for free. Oh my god. Let's go. Hey, P-50, are you here for something? No, but Whelen, Hornet, 4004, and Vortex are though. Wait, why are your wires hanging out of your speaker enclosures? Our wires broke during the test, because we don't have collector rings. So, we need collector rings and brushes installed in our rotator boxes. It looks like I don't need to cut the wires first, because the rotation appeared to have already done that for me. I'm just messing around. Okay. Please stand over here.
It's just power tools, that's all.
Okay. Now I need each one of you to sound a 3-second alert with rotation one at a time. Whelen.
Well, he works.
Hornet. 4004. Vortex. Okay. Everything checks out. You are now able to rotate over 360 degrees without damaging any of your wires. Thanks, Mega Blaster. You're welcome.
Damned. Alright, well, I'd probably rate it out of a 1 to a 5. Probably a 4.5. It's not bad. It's not that bad, but, yeah, that's that. Hope you enjoyed this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to me and Sirens and Railroads of South Carolina. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.